Hi there, we're currently on MSC Virtuosa for a 2-night cruise, just Southampton to France. We've just got into our inside cabin. It's a 2-berth. Normally we cruise with the girls, but they're away at the moment. So we'll take you round. This is cabin number 10098, so we're on the 10th deck. To start with, this is a cabin from 2. Normally on some of them you get drop-down beds from the ceiling. You've got lights each side, which is great if you're reading and you don't want to disturb anyone else. And another great thing is that there is a USB in there, so we can charge our phones overnight. Little bedside table. They tend to put these mats on the beds. Just helps when you put your suitcase on top if there's any muck on the wheels or anything. Also here waiting for us, we've got a couple of pool towels and some general information. Coming round, here is our sort of vanity unit. There's an ice bucket here and a couple of glasses. We've got a Zoe, which I assume is their version of Alexa. It says here, use Zoe as a speaker for your personal device. So we'll try that again later. You've also got a mini bar in here, but obviously anything you take from here, you will be charged for. So the cabin steward says that they check it every day. So you've got some plug sockets on here and a USB. Obviously we're from the UK, so we would need an adapter. So we did bring a couple of adapters with us, and tea and coffee making facilities. I didn't realise that it's really only the Brits that like to have tea and coffee in their room. It's quite often only put out when the Brits are on board. Now there is quite a fair bit of space here, which is really nice if you've cruised before. It can be a bit of a stretch, especially as we normally cruise with 2 teenagers. I'll show you the wardrobes. Now we're only on a 2-night cruise, so we've literally got a little tiny case. But this is all the storage that you have. If it's on a longer voyage, might not be too much. You've got a couple of drawers and obviously you're safe. Obviously not big enough to put laptops or anything in, but you can get your passports and cash in there and get that locked up. Coming round, you've got a nice sized TV, which is just opposite your bed. So if you want to have a chill and watch a bit of TV, you can do that as well. It is playing the safety video at the moment. And when we're finished, we're going to go down to our muster station. So like most other cruises, you've got a phone here, which if you're traveling in a big group, it does mean you can ring their cabin. Now a couple more bits to show you. So first here, we've got your air conditioning and heating, depending on where you're cruising. Now bizarrely today, it's a bank holiday in England and the weather's about 28 degrees. Bank holidays in England normally rain, so this is very exciting, and you can just change the heat or the aircon by pressing the buttons. Down here, which is quite cute, a couple of little buttons you can stick on, which is do not disturb, which will show outside so your cabin steward won't come in. And when you go out for the day, to let your steward know that you want your cabin made up, you just break up your make up room button. Coming down here, this is our little cruise card. We use this to get on and off the ship, pay for drinks and knickknacks in the shop, and you just pop your card in there and that keeps the lights on in the cabin. So when you take it out, you've got a little while before the lights go off, but then you can take it off wherever you're going. So inside, we've got a rather nice little bathroom. You've got your towels on the side. You can always get extra or get them changed with your cabin steward. We've got a little mirror here if you want close up for shaving or makeup. This is nice and bright so you can see what you're doing. You've got a soap dispenser here underneath. You've got extra toilet rolls and a little bin. Turning around, we've got some storage here, some toothbrush holders and a bath, well, I call it a bath mat, but there's a shower, and actually a rather nice sized shower. So I'll just pop in. In here, you've got some shampoo and shower gel as well.